a restaurateur taught me the best way to make thigh over roasted thigh. On a cutting board, here I'm going to start boning 1 kilogram of thigh over thigh. After removing all the bone, it will look like this. I'll repeat the process with the rest of the thighs. And here, folks, I'm going to open it up as well to make it a lot thinner. Now, in a container with all of our thigh over thigh, we're going to add some sweet paprika, a little black pepper, also add a little salt, five garlic cloves already crushed, then we just spread it out really well. Once that's done, folks, now let's grab one and let's start rolling. After adding everything in a mold, now just put it in the oven at 180 degrees and we'll leave it for 50 minutes or until golden brown. And look, folks, how amazing that thigh over thigh looks. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it in your house. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and thank you.